drone that only sees what humans see is leaving useful information behind. Hi, I am Dr. Kamrul Islam. One of the most powerful UAV direction is thermal autonomy. Thermal imaging is not only for pretty heat pictures, it changes what our drone can actually understand. Hot electrical faults, hot leaks in buildings, missing people at night, animal movement, overheated equipment, hidden anomalies invisible in RGB. But the real breakthrough comes when thermal is not only a payload, it becomes a part of the drone's decision making process. That means the future is not just flying with a thermal camera, it is using thermal sensing for attention, inspection priority, route adaptation, anomaly triggered behavior. My 2026 view, the drones that matter most in inspection and response will not only fly with more sensors, they will know which sensor matters in that moment. Thank you.